Now let's get into what you probably all been waiting for is me going into your page and kind of critiquing it or what you're doing good in my opinion, what you're doing, what you can use some work on, and I want to thank you all for agreeing to be a part of this to help me test out my system and maybe give you some pointers. The first one up is Jamie Ibanez. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. I am very bad at pronunciation. I know how I heard you say it. I cannot say that. I'm sorry, but I hope I'm somewhat close. First of all, your cover art. You should definitely make it custom. I'm not sure if you know how to really do your graphic arts or anything, but you can go to places like canva.com, snappa.com, and you can, if you're pretty, thing is, it's just like a drag and drop, and you can pretty much make a um, good cover art for very little. You can. There's a lot of videos on YouTube to show you how to do it as well. If you have a few dollars, you can probably go to Fiverr.com, pay $5, get it custom made for you as well. But I do suggest you do the cover art. Um, Now, let's see right here. I'm glad that you have a trailer. This will get people to look at it. I'm pretty sure this is a trailer, um, but or it's just your um, latest video, but it's something there, which is good. Um, Now, I would add more playlists besides uploads and popular uploads. Um, what you don't have many videos, but what you could do is, let's see, there's a how to stuff, so you can show them, have that as a playlist. You can have your collecting thing as a playlist. That's just two more. It will keep people that come right to this page that now, what I do suggest, just looking at this, you do need better thumbnails. If I was looking at this through like it came up on a next thing suggestion, I might not go to you simply because the thumbnail isn't popping and getting my attention. Um, what I do like about it is how you do name them. I definitely can understand this, and this is going to help you in the search. Um, Next up is your about page. Um, you have nothing. Definitely add some things on here. Use other people's as an example. It does this, like I said, this is where somebody will go to see about it, and just seeing entrepreneur lifestyle, not really catching my eye there. Um, then the last thing, channel keywords. I looked at it, and you have nothing. Add some stuff, even if it's not something that's very hard. Competition wise, it's better than nothing. Um, I don't know what the keywords really are for vending business, but even having a keyword vending business in there will is better than nothing. And thank you. Second, we have Trina from Integrity Vending and Fun. Um, okay, so channel art. This is a fun channel art. I do like it. Um, you're right around the same thing, so this means it will probably be shown all the way through, even on mobile. I do like that a lot. Um, the only thing I might add is maybe what your channel's about, or maybe when you plan to upload. But it's a very good, very simple. It's your logo, which I love. So that's a very good thing. You don't have a trailer, and you don't have any playlist. Um, it's kind of hard looking through yours to really make a playlist, but try to think of some keywords and try to sort them out, or maybe start doing it with your next couple videos where you can kind of leave them in the same thing. Um, your thumbnails. I really like this. This is very thing. What I would do a little differently, I would make some of these words like this skill up, get some grit, make the words bigger. Um, in mobile, it's probably going to be even harder to read it. Actually, I'm looking at my mobile now, and it's pretty easy. So I wouldn't change anything. I like what you're doing there. Um, your about page. You actually also need to add something to your about page. Explain yourself. Explain your story. Do something. Let's see. Um, but other than that, that's let's see. We'll go and look at your keywords a while. It also looks like you don't have any. If you don't remember, in the beginning of the video, I explained where you can find these keywords. It might give you a boost up. Look for very highly searched keywords with very low competition, and you might get ranked and might get some followers because of it. Thank you, Trina. Next, we have Jamie Farnsworth from Farnsworth Vending. Jamie, let's look at yours. Channel art. Looking at it, this part is probably going to get cut off. This part is probably going to get cut off. And this is kind of a blurry picture. I definitely would make your channel art a little better. Put the words closer to the middle. Let me look at mobile real quick. Yep, it looks like most of it's getting cut off. Use the template, buddy. Put the Farnsworth Vending in the middle. I love your tagline being in it, on it. Be Farnsworthy, you know, that's great. I would personally, I would have your face also on this. It's okay that it's your logo though. But I personally would have you're the face behind the company. Definitely put your face on it. That's just my opinion. You need a trailer. So your playlist. So you have a created playlist. What I would just do is make them longer so that your collection videos are on a thing. Oh wait, looks like you might have two of them. But some of the stuff on here, this work music, success music, I definitely wouldn't have them on there. That might take them away from your page, and we definitely don't want that. So, your thumbnails, none of them really catch my eye. It looks like you started to starting to do them here. But you had to, some of them, like this two locations, I had to really look at it to really read what it said. I know you have a lot more videos than this, and I kind of think that if somebody came to your page, they would you would get them to watch more videos of you if you just had them sorted. Your about page, at least you have something, but I would write a lot more. Make it almost like a mini biography or something. That's what I would do personally. Let's see if you keywords. Also go to add some keywords. Something is better than nothing, buddy. You don't have anything in there. Thank you, Jamie. Next, we have my homeboy Brian LaRue from Vending Nation TV. So your channel art, the whole bubblegum, not bad. I would definitely with what your logo looks like. This is a fly logo. I would be putting something up there in writing and everything, not just have bubblegum. Even though it's you can see it's kind of blurry. I would change it up a little bit. Put some words in it. Explain yourself better. So also in channel art, you're the first one I see that actually has some linked accounts, even though it looks like two of them are not even right. This says Facebook, but it says on the bottom down there, it goes in the bottom left, it says it goes to YouTube user /vendingnation.net. First of all, I want to say this you do not want unless there's a specific reason. Like if your ultimate goal for your YouTube channel is to get them to go shop somewhere else, then it's okay to be there. But just to have these, I don't think you really want that. You do not want them, and I personally believe YouTube gives a preference for you not taking them outside of YouTube to go somewhere else. So I don't think these really do you any good, buddy. Now you need a trailer. You have a lot of things. I think you even have a cool introduction to yourself video, if I remember correctly. Your thumbnails. You definitely look like you've been doing some homework. The way you do your thumbnails with the stroke and everything over there. Definitely what some bigger YouTubers do. Now, I personally don't think I would put Vending Nation up there. But I do like what you're doing with the strokes and everything. It's eye popping, and all that. I like it a lot. You do have some awesome playlists. It's just that you need to put them on better. I wouldn't have your uploads going up and down. I would have uploads going sideways maybe, and unless these are the ones you really want them to focus on, your last four. But you have some really good ones. Challenges there. You're vlogging, fixing machines, getting new locations. I would make these all one playlist, like a playlist for each of them, and have them over. Because me personally, I come to your site. I'm going to go here. I'm going to find your playlist. And hopefully they're up and down. A vlog, maybe I'll watch all of your 8 videos in vlog. Fixing machines, how to start. That one's definitely right there. Perfect for me, what I would be doing, watching this whole playlist, and hopefully in order. The thing about popular uploads, people, if you have this as a playlist, I now know what your most requested video is. Not requested, but your most popular. 79K. So I kind of can tell as a marketer your stats. Even though there is ways to tell. Like, I'll give you an example. Let's go here. I have different apps that I'll talk about in a different video that actually show me this. Social Blade.
Oh, hey, hey.
Social Blade being one of them. Tells me how many subs you're getting every single day and everything. TubeBuddy, great tool. I'll talk more about these in different videos, but I can now tell you what tags you're using. Let's see. This is a great one. Look at, you're actually ranking in collecting, vending, but the thing is, if I went and saw these, right? So you're ranking number 3 in collecting, right? Let's see how many. 20,000. But Number 3 right there. So you're probably getting maybe out of this, you might be able to collect 2,000. Looks like it gets searched a lot, 20,000. It has a very high competition, and you're ranking third in that. That's amazing, buddy. Um, but you know, I can finding keywords and everything. Yeah, so you're doing great on the keywords you were going after, buddy.
So, today is collection day.
Um, I will talk more about that in one of the other videos. So let's go to your next thing on your about page. Awesome. This is a great description. Vending machine. I love the very first one. Vending machine business videos at least once a week. Guess that's a little inside joke with you, since you know, I'm going to start vlogging on this day, and this day. Never happens. At least once and this is a little mistake right there. Weak, but you know, spelling mistakes. Some people are grammar police. I'm not one of them, so that doesn't bother me. I'm glad that you do have something about your about page, and definitely, you know, your business inquiries. That's a great thing. Let's look at your keywords you're going for. So it's always a great thing to make yourself a keyword, because you do want to become a person of interest that people know you by your name. So being looking for Brian LaRue is great, but this makes funny wheelchair kid. That kind of makes me laugh, but it doesn't. It does not do you any good having those there. I don't think, at least. Maybe you are getting some bumps ups because of that, but I really doubt it. But it makes me laugh. Thanks a lot, buddy. On to the next person. So, before we go any further, it is 4:20. I ended Brian's exactly at 4:20 in the morning. It is time for me to go to bed, but I thought I'm going to leave this in here just so I think Brian will get a kick out of me getting done his video at exactly 4:20.